Happy New Year sa inyo guys. Dito na kami ngayon. Entering Mactan Mandawi Bridge. Going to Katmun, Turkey. Ito yon guys. Ito yon. Ito na yung tugboat namin guys. Parating na. Galing pa ng One Warp tugboat. Ayos. Guys, ito yung masaya kayo dahil dumating yung ship chandler, may delivery ng provision. Ito yun guys, sabi ng ship chandler, truck is already down. Yan yung truck nila dito guys sa Turkey. Ito yung truck nila guys, at saka ito yung provision na dineliver ng company namin. Ganito kalaki